Beijing, a city of emperors, history, and now a foodie paradise. Forget stuffy restaurants. The best food is found on the streets, infused with tradition and bursting with flavor. From sizzling meats to delicate pastries, Beijing street food is a feast for the senses. It's a delicious adventure waiting to be explored. But this isn't just about grabbing a quick bite. Beijing street food is an art form. Vendors, often with generations of experience, transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. They use time-honored techniques, passed down through families, to create unique and unforgettable flavors. And the best part? This culinary adventure is accessible to everyone. You don't need a reservation at a fancy restaurant to experience the best of Beijing cuisine. Just wander the streets, follow your nose, and be prepared to be amazed. Each bite tells a story, a blend of tradition and modern tastes. Gone are the days when street food was just a quick lunch. Today, Beijing's street food scene is attracting serious foodies. We're talking gourmet ingredients, innovative techniques, and explosions of flavor that rival any high-end restaurant. This isn't your average street meat, it's an experience. Think Peking duck, but not as you know it. Imagine delicate pancakes, crispy duck skin glistening with flavor, and secret sauces passed down through generations. Or maybe you're craving seafood. How about fresh sea urchin, delicately placed on toasted bread, a surprising and delightful explosion of the sea. These aren't just dishes, they're culinary masterpieces disguised as street food, and they're redefining what it means to eat well in Beijing. Forget white tablecloths and hushed tones, the most exciting meals are happening right on the street corner. Be adventurous, be bold, and get ready to have your taste buds challenged. Beijing's street food scene is constantly evolving. New trends emerge, ingredients are reimagined, and chefs push the boundaries of what's possible. This is a city where tradition meets innovation, and the result is a culinary adventure that's always fresh and exciting. This isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about experiencing the cutting edge of food. Forget Michelin stars. The real culinary innovation is happening right here on the streets of Beijing. Chefs are experimenting with flavors, playing with textures, and creating dishes that are as beautiful to look at as they are delicious to eat. They're not afraid to take risks, and the result is a food scene that's constantly surprising and delighting. So if you're a foodie looking for the next big thing, look no further than Beijing's street food scene. This is where you'll find the most exciting flavors, the most innovative chefs, and the most unforgettable culinary experiences. Come hungry, come curious, and get ready to discover the future of food. Section 1. The Emperor's New Snack. Let's start with a dish fit for royalty but enjoyed by everyone. Peking duck pancakes. Once reserved for emperors and high officials, this iconic dish is now a street food staple, albeit with a luxurious twist. Imagine this, you're strolling through a bustling night market, the air thick with the aroma of spices and sizzling meat. You spot a vendor, their stall adorned with glistening ducks hanging like prized possessions. The vendor, a master of their craft, expertly carves the duck, the crispy skin crackling under the knife. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. This isn't your typical fast food, it's a performance. If you're feeling adventurous, let's dive into the world of Beijing's seafood street food where fresh, high-quality ingredients meet innovative culinary techniques. Forget greasy fish and chips, we're talking about delicacies like sea urchin toast, a dish that's as surprising as it is delicious. Imagine this. You're wandering through a bustling market, the air filled with the salty tang of the sea. You spot a vendor, their stall piled high with fresh seafood, glistening under the warm glow of lanterns. Amongst the crabs and clams, you see something unexpected. Vibrant orange sea urchin, its delicate spines trembling slightly. Section 3. When tradition meets trend. Beijing's street food scene isn't just about reinventing classic dishes. It's also about pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity. It's a place where age-old traditions collide with modern trends, resulting in a fusion of flavors that's both familiar and exciting. Take, for example, the humble jianbing, a savory crepe that's a breakfast staple in Beijing. Traditionally filled with eggs, scallions, and a crispy fried cracker, the jianbing is undergoing a gourmet transformation. Imagine a jianbing, but not as you know it. Picture this, a crispy crepe folded over a medley of unexpected fillings. Section 4. Beyond the dumpling reinventing classics. Let's be honest, no discussion about Beijing street food would be complete without mentioning dumplings. These little pockets of joy are a staple in Chinese cuisine, and Beijing takes its dumplings very seriously. But forget the steamed or boiled dumplings you're used to. On the streets of Beijing, dumplings are getting a serious upgrade. Imagine this. You're walking down a narrow alleyway, the aroma of freshly steamed dough and savory fillings guiding your way. You stumble upon a small stall, the air hazy with steam, the sound of sizzling oil filling the air. This isn't your average dumpling joint, this is where tradition meets innovation. The art of the pancake Peking duck secrets revealed. In this episode, we delve into the intricate and fascinating world of Peking duck, a dish that has captivated food lovers for centuries. The star of the show, the Peking duck, undergoes a meticulous preparation process. This process is a blend of art and science, requiring skill and patience to achieve perfection. It starts with selecting the perfect duck, plump and bred for its tender meat. The quality of the duck is paramount, as it forms the foundation of the dish's exquisite taste and texture. The duck is then cleaned, air-dried, and glazed with a secret blend of spices, often including maltose syrup for that signature crispy skin. This glazing process is crucial, as it ensures the skin becomes beautifully caramelized and crispy when cooked. This isn't a rushed process. It's about respecting tradition. Each step, from the initial selection to the final roasting, is performed with great care and attention to detail. The result is a dish that not only delights the palate, but also pays homage to centuries of culinary heritage. From ocean to toast, the making of sea urchin delicacy. This journey begins deep in the ocean, where sea urchins thrive in their natural habitat. These spiny creatures are harvested by skilled divers who brave the depths to bring this delicacy to the surface. The key to this street food delicacy is the freshness of the sea urchin. Once harvested, they are immediately placed on ice to preserve their quality. At the seafood market, vendors meticulously inspect each urchin, ensuring they meet the highest standards. Vendors often source their sea urchin from nearby coastal cities, ensuring that only the highest quality reaches their stalls. These coastal markets are bustling with activity, as fishermen bring in their daily catch and vendors select the best sea urchins for their customers. The urchin is carefully cracked open, revealing the bright orange roe, often referred to as uni in Japanese cuisine. This process requires precision and care, as the roe is delicate and must be handled gently to maintain its texture and flavor. This is about as fresh as it gets. The uni is then ready to be served, often enjoyed raw to fully appreciate its creamy texture and briny taste. From the ocean to your toast, this sea urchin delicacy is a true testament to the art of seafood preparation. Section 3, Jianbing 2.0, a culinary canvas. The beauty of the jianbing lies in its versatility. The basic batter, a simple mixture of wheat and mung bean flour, is spread thinly on a hot griddle, creating a crispy crepe with a slightly chewy texture. This blank canvas is then ready for an explosion of flavors. Section 4. The dumpling remix, flavor fusion in every bite. The dough, often made with a simple mixture of flour and water, is kneaded to the perfect elasticity, a process that requires both skill and patience. The kneading ensures that the dough achieves the right texture, which is crucial for the final product. Once the dough is ready, it is rolled out into thin wrappers, each one carefully crafted to be delicate yet sturdy enough to hold the flavorful fillings. This step is essential to ensure that the dumplings have the perfect bite. The filling is where the real magic happens. A harmonious blend of ingredients, often including meats, vegetables, and spices, is mixed to create a burst of flavor in every bite. Each vendor has their own secret recipe, adding a unique twist to their dumplings. While traditional pork and cabbage dumplings still hold a special place in many hearts, offering a comforting and familiar taste, the culinary scene is evolving. Beijing street food vendors are pushing the boundaries of what can go inside these little pockets of joy. From innovative fillings like spicy lamb and mint, to sweet options like red bean paste, the possibilities are endless. These modern twists on a classic dish are attracting food enthusiasts from all over the world, eager to experience the fusion of traditional and contemporary flavors. Section 1. Food as a window to the soul. Beijing street food isn't just about sustenance, it's a reflection of the city's soul, its history, and its people. Each dish, from the humble Bing to the luxurious Peking duck pancake, tells a story, a tale passed down through generations, a connection to the past. It's a living, breathing testament to Beijing's culinary heritage. In a world of mass-produced food and sterile dining experiences, there's something undeniably appealing about the authenticity of Beijing's street food. It's about connecting with the food on a deeper level, understanding the story behind each ingredient, and appreciating the skill and passion of the vendor. One of the most endearing aspects of Beijing's street food culture is its accessibility. It's a culinary democracy where everyone, regardless of their social standing or budget, can gather and enjoy the same delicious food. It's a place where social barriers crumble and a shared love for good food unites people from all walks of life. Experiencing Beijing's street food scene is a full-on sensory adventure. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and aromas that tantalize the taste buds and leave a lasting impression. From the moment you step into a bustling market, you're greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors. As we've explored, Beijing's street food scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, aromas, and traditions. It's a testament to the city's rich culinary heritage, a fusion of ancient recipes and modern innovations. From the crispy skin of Peking duck pancakes to the delicate brininess of sea urchin on toast, each bite tells a story, a narrative woven through generations of culinary masters. But Beijing street food is more than just a feast for the senses. It's a cultural immersion, a window into the heart and soul of the city. It's a place where social barriers dissolve over steaming bowls of noodles and sizzling skewers of meat, where locals and tourists alike gather to savor the simple pleasures of good food and good company. So, if you find yourself wandering the vibrant streets of Beijing, your stomach rumbling with anticipation, don't hesitate to dive headfirst into the city's legendary street food scene. Let your senses guide you, follow the enticing aromas, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. To help you navigate this culinary maze, here are a few neighborhoods renowned for their street food offerings. Wangfujing Snack Street. A tourist hotspot, yes, but this pedestrian street offers a dizzying array of options, from traditional snacks to more adventurous fare. Be sure to try the tanghulu, candied fruits on skewers, a sweet treat that's as visually appealing as it is delicious. So there you have it, a glimpse into the tantalizing world of Beijing street food. From the iconic Peking duck pancakes to the humble yet endlessly versatile Bing, these culinary creations offer a flavor of Beijing that's as authentic as it is delicious. So pack your appetite, grab your chopsticks, and embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.